In today's video we want to see how to insert tables and images in our project. So before we begin, let's go to Tools, Options, LibreOffice Writer, Auto Caption. So here by default they are unchecked, so let's check Writer table. We want to be table. The captions should be below up to level 1, as you can see here. It's level 1 and the number of image. And the same for writer image, we want the expression image below up to level 1, apply and OK. One more thing, we need for caption to be Carlito 12 center, so right click caption, edit style, font to be Carlito English, and center, apply and OK. Now we are ready to insert the first image. Let's suppose we want to insert here, so let's insert the image. What you need to know is that here you have three things: one image, the caption, the label, and a frame. You can see that here we have a frame that includes this caption, and the image is above. We want to work with the frame, so double click here. First step is to resize the image as you need, then anchor to paragraph. After that, let's move the anchor where we need the paragraph to be. Let's suppose we want this image after this paragraph with beginning with could. So let's click again on the frame and let's drag and drop this anchor to this paragraph. Now right click, properties, and we can set up everything. So in the position we want to be centered, left, right, and here we want bottom from the paragraph text area, keep inside text boundaries, and wrap off, don't allow overlap, and a little bit here. Okay, so now the image is after this paragraph with could. Let's do the same in this paragraph with he. Let's remove some text from here. So I want now the second image here. So let's insert the second image. We want to be smaller, so let's change. So we want a smaller image. We anchor to paragraph, then we move the anchor to the paragraph we wanted. Let's click again. So now it's a frame. The anchor to be, let's click on the frame tool, and the anchor to be here. Now we can right click or edit that frame. We want to be centered and the bottom of the paragraph text area, and the wrap to be off, don't allow overlap, and a little bit over here. So we have the image after the paragraph with he tried, and the first one was after the paragraph with could. If the text is moving, let's see if I'm removing one paragraph, the image will move up. So the anchor, if it's on this paragraph, will be after that paragraph. And the same here, if I'm pressing here enter, you can see the image is moving together with the label, with the caption on the next page. Now let's insert a table here. Let's remove first the empty rows. So now let's insert a table here. Very easy. We have this table. We can change the heading, for example. We select that cells, color, we change to blue. We can bold it, so we can have some text. And the condition was all the borders should be visible. So let's see in the preview. The borders are visible for the table. And let's check the caption. It's table from chapter 2, it's the first chapter. It's correct. So everything looks fine. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.